Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's video I'm going to show you guys how to do butterfly braid. As you can see, I first do the first one, and now I'm going to show you guys how I achieve that on the mannequin head. Yeah, if you guys like this video, please let me know so I can teach you guys how to braid, how to do a Senegal braid, a twist, how to braid. So on this video I'll be doing it often, showing you guys. And like for beginner people that don't know how to do braid, I'm going to be showing you guys. Today I'm going to show you guys, we're starting at butterfly braid. Like people that don't know how to braid at all, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to braid. Now today's video I'm going to show you guys how to do butterfly braid. You can see, keep adding the hair. Want to know how I achieve that look? Then keep on watching and learn too. I'm going to teach you guys a lot of style on this mannequin head. I just started now. If you like it, let me know. I'm going to teach you guys more for beginners that don't know how to braid at all. See, I'm going to be adding hair little by little, and I'm going to be pulling it out. You're going to see how I go achieve that. It's very easy. Butterfly braid is very easy. See, braiding it out now. Now I'm pulling it out. Look closer and watch it. If you don't understand, you start all over again. That's why I didn't forward the video. I just like leave it like that so that you guys can understand the video. Because this video is just to teach you guys how to do it. I'm going to be teaching you guys how to braid, all those things. I will not go to forward it. See, teach you guys how to braid. Now see, when you braid, you pull it out, braid, pull out. See, give you a nice butterfly braid, very beautiful style. A lot of people don't know how to do this, but it's very easy to do, as you can see. And when I have like a less hair, I added more hair. See, pull again, pull, then move to the next one, pull, then braid, then pull, braid, pull, braid, pull. You braid, you pull the right, you braid, you pull the left. We pull both sides. We'll give you this style. It's very easy. See, I braid, I pull 2 times, then I braid the others, braid again, then pull the other side 2 times too. You see, I pull these 2 sides. Pull, braid, pull, braid, pull, braid, pull. Very easy. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and share. Share the video. By sharing it, give me encourage to teach you guys more. If you guys don't share it, it's tiring. So if you just waste your time to make a video and nobody is sharing it, nobody is watching it, so we're not going to have more people. So watch and share so we can have more people, more new people to learn also. We learn every day. We can't learn everything all. See, we braid, you pull, you braid, you pull. Almost done on that one. I got to do it again, like I want to do it 2 times so that you guys can understand it. Yeah, this mannequin here now, I want to be using it to train a lot of people that doesn't know how to braid hair. To braid hair is very easy. The next video I go to post, I go to show you guys how to do Senegal twist. I'm going to show you guys 3 different way how to do Senegal braid. I'm going to do Senegal twist, then do normal twist, and show you guys. You see, it's beautiful. I'm going to do it again on the remaining hair. Yeah, very beautiful. You see, very beautiful. My page is to teach you a lot of people things. Like, it's not easy, especially some of us that have girls. If you don't know how to braid, it's very hard for you to, because hair is very expensive. If you learn it, you can do it to your children, do it to your friends, do it on your own. It's good to learn a lot of things. You see, braid, you go to braid it like 3 times, then started adding hair, then add hair, you braid. I add hair, you braid. 1, 2, you add hair. 1, 2, you braid to the left, then braid to the front, then to the right, then you add hair. Now pull, 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 pull. Keep going, continue going, then pull, continue going and pull. It's very easy. Pull, 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 pull again. I pull it 2 times, like I pulled one side, 2 side, like 2 times at the right, and then 2 times on the left. Then you continue braiding. Yeah, you pull, braid, pull, braid, pull, braid, pull. Very beautiful style. Pull, braid, pull, braid, pull. You braid to the right, you pull. You braid to the left, you pull. That's it. Braid, pull, braid and pull. Braid, pull, braid, pull. Right now, I go to leave you guys here for you guys to enjoy the video and learn. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and leave your comment at the comment section. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys on my next video. Right now, I go to add music. Bye.